2 orders just came in Tangsuyuk and Jjajangmyeon plus coffee. I'll pick them up first, then tell you more about Tangsuyuk. It's been raining all day. I've already arrived at the restaurant. Let's pick up the Tangsuyuk and Jjajangmyeon first. The coffee shop is right next door, so I can pick up the second order without getting back on the motorcycle. Now, heading to the customer with the Tangsuyuk and Jjajangmyeon. Tangsuyuk is one of Korea's most popular Korean Chinese dishes. It's pork coated in starch and fried until the outside is crispy and the inside stays tender. It comes with a thick, sweet and tangy sauce made with sugar and vinegar. In Korea, Tangsuyuk is often ordered with jjajangmyeon or jjamppong, served in the middle of the table and shared. But there's one question that can divide the entire table. Do you pour the sauce over the pork or dip each piece separately? Pouring the sauce makes the coating softer and chewier. Dipping keeps it crispy for longer. Tangsuyuk didn't begin as a traditional Korean dish. Chinese restaurants began appearing in Incheon and Seoul in the late 1800s and early 1900s. Chinese sweet and sour pork dishes were introduced to Korea during that period and gradually developed into the Korean style Tangsuyuk served today. Even its name comes from Chinese words referring to sugar, vinegar, and meat. For delivery, the sauce is usually packed separately so the fried pork doesn't become soggy on the way. That also lets the customer decide, pour or dip. The Tangsuyuk and Jjajangmyeon have been delivered. Now, it's time for the coffee order. The customer lives in a hillside neighborhood at the top of a very steep road. I'm also worried that the coffee may have spilled because of all the bumps. Luckily, it looks fine. Both orders were delivered safely. The rain is still falling, but this delivery run is complete. Thanks for watching.